Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here, please subscribe, followed by the bell. As we expected to see the Galaxy Z Fold 3 next week, more leaks and features continue to appear, so if the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 shifts to new technology, then the mildly annoying display crease that's present on even the best foldable will become less apparent. That's according to OTI Lumionics, an advanced OLED materials and research firm that has specialist knowledge when it comes to displays, folding, or otherwise. The Galaxy Z Fold 3 are likely to see a less noticeable crease in folding screens, along with other technological improvements, thanks to advancements in display materials and manufacturing. As OTI Lumionics has developed a new filter technology that's currently within the OLED supply chain, it's as confident in the Galaxy Z Fold 3 claims. However, the firm couldn't confirm if its technology was being used in the upcoming Samsung foldable phones, but a representative did say that it provides material for research purposes to a number of OLED panel makers and smartphone OEMs. But if this technology is adopted by Samsung and other smartphone makers, then we could see the Galaxy Z Fold 3 spearhead an evolution in foldable phones. Please subscribe to Mrnewmobile channel. So the Galaxy Z Fold 3 is said to forego the circular polarizer found on pretty much every smartphone and adopt a much thinner, color filter on encapsulation (COE) technology. Phones ship with a circular polarizer within the display stack, the layers that make up a screen. It's a material that helps reduce reflections in bright light, improving visibility in sunlight. So Samsung will use thicker glass to reduce display creases, or that the display stack will be thinner than before. Rather, Young claims Samsung will incorporate a carbon-reinforced polymer layer under the Galaxy Z Fold 3 panel, with the same glass used by its predecessor. The Z Fold 3 incorporates a carbon-reinforced polymer layer to increase strength below the panel. The display film stack on the Z Fold 3 is nearly 40% thicker than the Z Fold 2 despite the removal of the circular polarizer due to the addition of the relatively thick digitizer. It includes a shatterproof and protection layer under the UTG previously seen in the Z Flip 5G. So even if the thicker glass isn't used and the display stack remains thicker, the Galaxy Z Fold 3 screen is still tipped to be more crease resistant thanks to the reinforcement. And if this tech filters down the supply chain to other phone makers, we could see stronger and more resilient foldable phone displays in the near future. Samsung's flagship phones have long been contenders in our best camera phones list, especially with the Galaxy S21 Ultra. But the evolution of the selfie camera is the next phone frontier, notably with the idea of putting it under the display to avoid the use of distracting punch hole cutouts or notches. The Galaxy Z Fold 3 is tipped to get such a camera, and Chiu said it could be the best one yet, and that'll be down to the core technology. With early generation under-display cameras, there was only about 20 to 22% transparency according to Chiu, which doesn't allow for great front-facing photos. We've seen this happen in the ZTE Axon 25G is one of the first phones to ship with an under-display camera. That is just the latest update we have heard so far. Without being said, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. One, peace out.